Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In a shocking turn of events, Microsoft is finally rolling out its highly controversial Windows recall feature to the general public. Remember when we first heard about this feature nearly a year ago? That's right, folks. It's been on the horizon for what feels like an eternity, and now it's here. So, what exactly does Windows Recall do? Well, it's simple. It records everything you do on your PC, taking continuous screenshots of your activities, scraping text from those screenshots, and storing them all in a searchable database. That's right, Microsoft is essentially creating a virtual record of every single thing you do on your computer. Now, before we dive deeper into the implications of this feature, let's talk about how it got here. Recall was initially met with harsh criticism over its security protections, or rather, the lack thereof. The initial rollout attempt was rocky, to say the least, and Microsoft had to go back to the drawing board to address these concerns. But after months of testing in the Windows Insider Beta program, Microsoft has made some significant changes. Recall is now a feature that you must opt in to using, rather than opting out, which is a huge improvement over its previous incarnation. And if you do decide to use it, you can actually remove it completely from your system. But what about the security concerns? Well, testing by reputable sources like ours has shown that Microsoft has made some significant strides in addressing these issues. The company has added better automated content filtering to help keep sensitive information out of the database. Although, we have to admit, this filtering is still inconsistent at times. Now, it's worth noting that Recall isn't the only new feature coming with Windows 11. We've got a new and improved search function, which can understand contextual meaning and make search more natural and intuitive. And for users of Copilot Plus PCs, there's also Click to Do, a powerful tool that lets you copy text from images, search the content on your screen, and summarize or rewrite on-screen text. But what makes these features so special? Well, they're only available on Copilot Plus PCs, which come with specific hardware requirements. We're talking about neural processing units, NPUs, that can process over 40 trillion operations per second, quite a feat, if you ask us. The good news is that the NPU is starting to make its way into more consumer processors. While it's currently only available on Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite and Plus chips, Intel's Core Ultra 200V series laptop chips, and AMD's Ryzen AI 300 series, we're expecting to see this tech spread to more systems in the near future. So, what does this mean for users? Well, Microsoft is giving you a choice. You can opt in or opt out of using Recall, depending on your comfort level with these features. And if you do decide to use them, you'll have access to some incredibly powerful tools that can make your life easier. But the real takeaway here is this: Microsoft has learned from its mistakes and come out stronger as a result. They're prioritizing security and user control, which is music to our ears. In conclusion, Windows Recall may be a polarizing feature, but it's clear that Microsoft is committed to making it work for users. So, go ahead and give it a try. Just remember, you've got the power to opt in or opt out whenever you want.